Tom is too short to do that. Tom is too short to do that. Tom is too drunk to do that. Tom is too drunk to do that. Tom is able to do that too. Tom is able to do that too. Tom has asked me to do that. Tom has asked me to do that. Tom has a chance to do that. Tom has a chance to do that. Tom had a chance to do that. Tom had a chance to do that. Tom got a chance to do that. Tom got a chance to do that. Tom can do that if he likes. Tom can do that if he likes. Tom asked me not to do that. Tom asked me not to do that. We all hope Tom can do that. We all hope Tom can do that. I told Tom to do that today. I told Tom to do that today. I sure hope Tom can do that. I sure hope Tom can do that. Tom has no right to do that. Tom has no right to do that. Tom can do that if he tries. Tom can do that if he tries. Tom asked me if I'd do that. Tom asked me if I'd do that. Tom is going to do that now. Tom is going to do that now. I begged Tom not to do that. I begged Tom not to do that. Did Tom force you to do that? Did Tom force you to do that? Tom plans to do that as well. Tom plans to do that as well. Tom might do that on his own. Tom might do that on his own. No one but Tom could do that. No one but Tom could do that. Tom has no desire to do that. Tom has no desire to do that. Tom has never let me do that. Tom has never let me do that. Tom is going to do that too. Tom is going to do that too. Tom is also going to do that. Tom is also going to do that. Tom can't do that on his own. Tom can't do that on his own. Tom said he liked to do that. Tom said he liked to do that. Tom said he likes to do that. Tom said he likes to do that. Tom said he'd try to do that. Tom said he'd try to do that. Tom said he plans to do that. Tom said he plans to do that. Tom says he plans to do that. Tom says he plans to do that. Tom had no desire to do that. Tom had no desire to do that. Tom has no reason to do that. Tom has no reason to do that. You could get Tom to do that. You could get Tom to do that. You can't ask Tom to do that. You can't ask Tom to do that. Would Tom do that on his own? Would Tom do that on his own? Why is Tom afraid to do that? Why is Tom afraid to do that? Why did you make Tom do that? Why did you make Tom do that? Tell Tom not to do that here. Tell Tom not to do that here. Tell Tom he needs to do that. Tell Tom he needs to do that. It took Tom weeks to do that. It took Tom weeks to do that. I wonder if Tom will do that. I wonder if Tom will do that. I won't force Tom to do that. I won't force Tom to do that. I wanted to help Tom do that. I wanted to help Tom do that. I think Tom ought to do that. I think Tom ought to do that. I think Tom needs to do that. I think Tom needs to do that. I should tell Tom to do that. I should tell Tom to do that. I needed to help Tom do that. I needed to help Tom do that. I know Tom wanted to do that. I know Tom wanted to do that. I hope that Tom will do that. I hope that Tom will do that.